packing tips are something we can all use, but especially me right now because I'm about to head out of town. And here to give me all the great tips on how I can pack everything I need to bring with me is one of my favorite style icons, Affy like Taffy. Welcome, Affy.
Thank you so much, Lexi. What a nice entrance. I love it.
You
Cheers.
truly are. I mean,
Thank you.
just truly an icon. I wish you guys could see the shoes. We'll have to show you those before the end of the segment. But so like I said, I'm getting ready to go out of town, and packing can be a challenge sometimes. So give me some tips, girl.
Perfect. Yeah. So, well, honestly, as a stylist, I do this for my clients. So I'm kind of like, tested and all the things. But I definitely think the first thing you want to do is like check the weather to the Weather Channel, make sure that you're not packing for like a snowstorm or something that's going to be random. So therefore you can pack accordingly. So pack your outfits, create like a color capsule wardrobe. So you have pieces that kind of go together, but take pictures. Because therefore you have like maybe like an elevated look or an elevated casual look. And
this is great. The idea of sticking all on one color is really, really smart because then if you have to kind of mix and match pieces, you know everything's going to work together.
There we go. Exactly. And
really
yes,
smart.
That's literally it. And just finding pieces that are interchangeable, like you said. So like just going back and forth. But like, in the past we've been all about like just like, folding items, but it's all about the roll now.
Okay.
And so rolling clothes in packing cubes. Packing cubes are the way to go because you can add more and create so much more space with it.
Okay, what I love about a packing cube, so I did not used to be a believer, but I have become a believer, is because packing cubes are great. You can even put like, say, this is Monday's outfit. So here we go. We have Monday's outfit all ready to go. You just unzip it. You have everything in there that you need from top to bottom. And then you have Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever it might be.
Definitely.
Packing cubes are great.
Oh my goodness. And they come in different sizes too, which is great.
There you go.
You have like a makeup bag. You have things for your shoes. You even have a laundry bag as well.
Oh, that's brilliant, because you never know what to do with the dirties. There you go.
Exactly.
You're good to go. You keep them separate.
Definitely.
But tell me about this roll, because I've never done this before. So how do we, it's a military style roll?
Yes, military style roll.
Show me how we do this.
So yeah, I actually deep dive because there's so many different rolls, but I was like, let me just do the military roll for you. So you're going to start with the garment that's flat on the table or the bed, whatever you decide, and you're just going to fold in the corners on both sides, the arms, and just make sure that it's kind of straight into the bottom, and then just lift up just like an inch, and then you're just going to overfold it again, and then just like literally flip it upside down, and you're just going to tightly roll it as close as you can, and look at how small it's getting. And the reason why we add that inch at the bottom is because you actually use that to kind of like hold it in place, and it's almost like a burrito.
Oh, wow.
So it just holds it in place, and then literally this is what it does.
There
and just
you
goes
go.
it in.
And that shirt that was a very large, full-size shirt just became so tiny, and then you pack it in there.
Good to go.
And you're good to go.
Yes.
I love it. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
let's get to some other things that we need to know, especially things like jewelry. So as women, obviously, we're going to be bringing jewelry. I mean, is this something that you would recommend that we have, like a jewelry case?
Literally, for all the tangles that you get with jewelry, it's so nice to have the jewelry case because you can actually section them off. So you have all the gold, like necklaces, and then you have earrings, and then you can just add your rings in there. So everything's sectioned off, so there's no tangles, and it's just all in formation, which is so great.
Perfect. Again, another thing that you're like, okay, this is Mondays, this is Tuesdays. You have it all kind of lined up, ready to go.
Definitely.
That's great. What if we don't have something like this?
So honestly, funnily enough, I've seen people actually use saran wrap. So that's the thing. They literally put like a flat section of saran wrap, and then you put your jewelry in and just all together laid out, and then just put a saran wrap over it. And literally we'll separate
genius.
it. Yes.
So
that's a hack, definitely.
Okay,
if you don't want that, use saran wrap.
Okay, what are some other things in here, Affy?
Perfect. So another hack is, as much as it's lovely to have like cases that you have for like your shoes, which is great. If you don't have that luxury whatnot, then you can actually use a shower cap. And a shower cap, what it does is it actually protects your shoes if they're like muddy, if you've come from like the park or some kind of like special place or that's really dirty, it actually protects your shoes.
Keeps your shoes, because once you put them back into your bag like this, you're always worried that you're going to get that all over the place, especially for me. I'm going to New York. There might be some rain. We're going to be in Central Park. That is a great hack. I love it. Okay, Affy, what about this stuff over here?
Brilliant. Okay, so so another thing is clear plastic bags are so great. I definitely recommend them because you can literally carry anything in them.
You can always see what you have in them too. That's great.
So we have this, I have this lovely case that's like for your toothbrush and toothpaste, which is great. It protects it, but just in case you don't want the bulk of this is another hack. What you do is that you just get like a clip right here that you use for like potato chips or snacks, and you just place your brush there, and you just leave it down, and it will literally just stay in place.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh, that is so smart.
So that is another way in order to like avoid all the bulkiness of all the things.
This is great. Affy, these are so many great tips, and I know you have more, so tell everybody where they can find more information about you.
Brilliant. Yes, you can find me on affyliketaffy.com. I'm honestly on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at affyliketaffy.
There you go. And you want to follow this lady because not only does she have great tips for stuff like this, but she also is amazing style inspo. Affy, thank you for being here
Cheers.
today.
Thank you for having me.
We love it when you
Cheers.
come. Hey, don't go anywhere, guys, because there's more of the Arizona Daily Mix coming up after this. And there's so